Welcome to the magical world of monster machines chopping down giant trees. If you subscribe to the channel, let's get started. The small tree cutter is powerful enough to cut bigger and thicker trees. It can go up to the tip of a 10-meter high tree. It has power. If you want to move to another place and you have a favorite tree in your old house, don't worry. You can now take it with you. It has a strong enough structure to remove the tree from its old place without damaging the root of the tree and take it wherever you want. I would not recommend you to try it only on small trees and large trees. Do you need to cut down trees lined up side by side to make way for a road? Then, it is for you. Thanks to its strong gripping ability, it uproots the tree without breaking it. This 8-tire truck, which is about 10 meters long, carefully collects the cut trees and transports them to the area to be used. In the past, people had to take these logs on their backs. Write your thoughts in the comment section. Do not worry that the root of the tree you cut is left on the ground. There is a monster machine just for you. Thanks to its serrated structure, no tree root can get rid of it. In another way, with its hard grip, it pulls the tree root as hard as it holds the tree root. Do not forget to subscribe to support us.